This must be the entrance to the labyrinth.
It looks tricky. Stay alert. This is it! The jungle labyrinth starts here!
Stay close. We don't know what's waiting inside.
These symbols must be a pattern. We need to step carefully.
Piece of cake. Follow me.
Easy. Just swing across like this.
We'll have to run fast!
Watch out! Step on the safe tiles. We need to align the symbols perfectly to open it. Leave it to me.
Hello?
We come in peace.
We mean no harm. We just want to pass through.
This shortcut is amazing. Look at these glowing vines.
It's beautiful, but stay alert, Gold Cat. This is it, the final puzzle. We have to get it right. Let's do this together.
We did it! The exit is clear!
I knew we could make it together. Deep in the heart of the forest lies a secret waterfall, waiting for the...
Look out below!
You certainly made a splash. Is incredible! Do you think the secret really lies behind the falls?
Only one way to find out.
Wow, it's beautiful in here. Stay close. Who knows what's inside? These crystals, they're alive! Incredible! Let's see where they lead.
The water glows. I wonder if it's magical. Careful, it could be enchanted. Look, a secret passage!
Wow, this is getting even more amazing.
These symbols, they're showing us something.
It must be the secret we've been looking for.
Look, it's showing the path.
We need to follow it carefully. Whoa! Who are you?
It looks friendly.
We're getting closer to the secret.
Stay alert. The cave might have surprises.
We found it! The secret beneath the falls!
It's even more incredible than I imagined.